Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the March Allure beauty box to show you. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the March 2025 Allure Beauty Box just arrived. I do want to say quickly before I dive in, last box was my first time bringing them back after I don't know how many years, and I just assumed that every single month you would be able to pick a product, and that's what I had said in that video. However, I had a few of you guys tell me in the comment section that that's not necessarily the case. If there is an item that has a different option, you will get the email, you can select which one, and that's what you will get. But it's not a guaranteed every single month there will be a product to choose from. So far, this is my second box. I got to choose a product last month, this month, and I've already chose my product for next month. So there's already 3 in a row. So I don't know how many months they actually do it, but I did want to let you know now that I know that it's not guaranteed every single month, but if there is a product, you can choose from it. And I still love that idea that you get to choose the different color combination or whichever for that product. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to now be in the March box. Again, there was a product in here that I was able to choose. I believe it was a highlighter. So if you were to sign up now, which I will have them linked down below if you'd like to check them out. If you were to sign up now, I think it's 3 different ones you can choose from, but you can still choose which color you would like for that highlighter. So when we open her up, there's the inside of the box. We have our brochure right on top, and it has this gorgeous woman right there. And then down inside, we'll go over the products that are inside of the box. So we have here's a thing you can purchase, a 2025 limited edition fragrance box valued at $287. For members, you can get it for $79, or there's a limited edition fragrance box for men, and it's normally $263, and that one is $79 as well. So they do have those options. If you're a member, you can purchase those at a discounted rate. So when we open her up, there is a sneak peek to inside of the box. So let's go ahead and start with that customizable color option first. Now, I don't use highlighters, blushes, bronzers, that kind of thing is just not something that I like to use. I just don't use them. So anything that I get like that, I save for you guys. And the colors you could choose from was Unbothered, which is a mauve pinky gold, and that's what I got. Low Key, which would be a peachy gold, or Incognito, which is a tan gold. So again, I got the Unbothered. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to put this directly into my future giveaway pile for one of you guys to use. I just thought like the pinky gold would be like a good color just to toss in my box for anybody to hopefully enjoy. But here is the packaging. And on this one, it is a full size and the retail value is $25. So this product alone basically pays for the entire box. And I love that. Normally there's always one product that pays for the entire box. So here we go. We have the $25 and it is the 0.21 ounce. And it says swirl the balm onto your cheeks and anywhere else that you want a glow, like the tip of your nose and chin. With a brush, a blush brush works great. So there we go. And I love that you can choose the color so you're getting what you would like. So there's the first option. Next up we have, it says immediate supersized volume, 180% volume, and it's vegan. So it looks like we have a mascara. It says size up mascara, Sephora. The retail value for the full size product is $13 for a 0.47 ounce. This one included in the box is a 0.05 ounce. So it is the sample size, but if you do like it, you can purchase the full size for $13 at Sephora. So I like that we get to try that out. It's this little sample size here. And that is what the wand looks like. So number 2. Next up we have Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream, green tea extracts plus aloe leaf juice. It's a 2 fluid ounce. That sounds actually really good. It's the retail value is $14.99 for the 60 mil, and that's what this is. The 60 mil is the same as the 2 fluid ounces, so this is a full size product. Run it over clean skin morning and night for a happy moisturized complexion. As the weather starts to warm up, switching to a lighter moisturizer can feel as refreshing as a spring breeze. This jelly formula has the same bouncy vibe, delivering serious hydration with ingredients like jojoba seed oil. We'd like to see a spring breeze do that. I am all for a good moisture, especially this one has the green tea and those other extracts in there. I think this is going to be amazing. I cannot wait to put this on my face, and a gel cream moisturizer is awesome. So again, valued for $14.99. Next we have is Belief Super Drops Golden Glow Serum. That's what this one looks like. The full size would be $38 for a 50 mil, and what's included in the box is a 10 mil. So we have the sample size, and again, it's a glow serum. It says this name, Super Drops, does not disappoint. This skincare makeup hybrid from beloved K-beauty brand Belief gives skin an instant glow with gold pearls, brightens with vitamin C, and blurs the look of pores in the process. Wear the serum on its own as a primer or mix a few drops into your moisturizer, even a tinted moisturizer. So you have a few different ways that you can use this. Again, this is the sample size, but if you like it, you can purchase the full size. So we have a Golden Glow Serum. Next up, we have a Skin Fix Barrier. There's what it looks like. This one here says retail value is $54 for a 15 mil, and this is a 15 mil. This box right here is $54. Another Allure Best of Beauty winner. This lightweight eye cream. Okay, so that's why it's a smaller one. It's an eye cream. I'm so excited then. I'm like, oh my goodness, $54. Ooh, and it's a nice container. It feels nice and heavy. So it's a eye cream. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, but still manages to depuff with caffeine, brighten and smooth the delicate eye area. Ooh, I'm super, super excited, especially with caffeine in there. Tap a little under your eyes and over crow's feet in the morning and night. Very simple. But again, this is $54 just on its own. So I'm really, really excited. It's a nice like cream look. I don't smell anything, but I'm super, super excited to put this under my eyes. I love a good eye cream, you guys, and $54, I'm sure that's going to be good. So I'm excited. All right, the last item in here is from Glow Recipe. I really love this brand. This is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. I normally don't do the plumping things on my lips, so I'm not sure. Let's see here. It says it's valued at $22 for, so this is the full size product. The Allure Best of Beauty award winner has a texture we can only describe as juicy. It's thick, but not, it's thick and juicy. It is thick, but not heavy, shiny, but not sticky, and flavorful, but not in a childish way. In short, it's the perfect balm to keep lips hydrated. Smooth onto bare lips or over your favorite lipstick or stain for a pretty sheen. Again, valued for $22. I normally don't do the plump, but it didn't say anything about plumping. So even though it says Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm, but let's see, the ultra moisturizing non-sticky formula deeply hydrates lips and delivers a shine of gloss with the comfort of a balm. Hyaluronic acid is paired with a nourishing plum blend to create a moisturizing locking barrier, naturally smoothing and plumping lips. Let's get this one open. Maybe I will definitely try this one out then. And this is what the package looks like. Again, I love this brand, so I'm excited to try something new. I've never tried a balm from them like this. Ooh, it smells really good. Like the plum. Ooh. Yeah, it does smell really good. I just stuck my finger in there, but that's what it looks like. It feels really good on the lips. It's not sticky. It's not tacky. It's not thick. It doesn't feel thick, even though it says she's thick. It doesn't feel thick. Feels really nice. And I don't see like plumping things normally start kind of like heating up on my lips, or I can feel tingling or something like that. And so far, I'm not feeling anything like that. So I'm glad I tried it out. And that's $22 just for this product right here. So that's awesome. So a quick recap for this March box, you have the Glow Recipe Lip Balm, and it does feel so good. You have this eye cream that I cannot wait to try. You have a serum that you can test out, a hydrating moisturizer, which I'm really excited about. You have a mascara to test out, and then you have a full-size highlighter that will go to one of you guys. So that is everything for the March box. What do you think of everything inside? Again, this is going to a future giveaway, which I'm super excited about that. I'm gonna try out some mascara. I have a serum to test out. I can't wait to try out these 3 products right here. And these are all full-size items. $54 for that one right there. Holy moly. So that is everything for this box. If you want a little bit more information about Allure Beauty, about the pricing, I will let you know right about now. They do have some codes depending on which one you would like to do. If you want to do a monthly, a quarterly, or an annual subscription on their site. Again, I will have everything linked down below if you want to pop on over there and see what they have. You can get $5 off your very first box. So your very first box would only be $19, and then after that it will renew at $25 per month if you want to just do box per box. It has free US shipping, which is absolutely amazing, and you can cancel at any time. If you want to save some money, you can do a quarterly box, which is $69 for 3 months. Basically, it brings it down to $23 per box, and I think that one had a $10 off code. And then if you want to go to an annual, it's $250 for the year, but that one I think had a $25 off code. So at the normal $250, it would basically be $20.83 per box. Again, still free shipping for the US, and you can cancel at any time. And the annual subscription, you get a free bonus box, which I showed you last month what was in the bonus box, because that's what I got because I paid for the annual subscription. So I did get the bonus box in, and there's another little free gift you get too. So there's so many different like deals and great things for the different tiers based on which one you would like to sign up for. But again, they will be all linked down below if you would like to check them out. If you'd like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular box. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.